Hello, thank you for being here today. My name is Vanina. I'm the Director of Studies at Learn Easy System. Today, I'm going to talk about presentations. My talk will be divided into 3 parts. First, I'll mention the use of body language. Second, I'll speak about the use of common expressions. Third, I'll comment on the use of visual aids. I'll be answering questions at the end of my presentation. So, as I mentioned, the first thing that I'm going to talk about is body language. There are 3 things to consider. First, eye contact. Second, gesture. Third, posture. Let's look at these in more detail. First, eye contact. Your eyes can directly connect you to your audience. Eyes are very important in communicating sincerity and credibility. Second, gesture. Do use your hands to emphasize a point, to express emotion, to release tension, and to attract your audience. Third, posture. The way you stand in front of your audience speaks before you even open your mouth. You can move around, but remember, constant motion is a distraction. So, you've now got a good understanding of the use of body language, right? Okay, so let me now move on to the second point, the use of common expressions to structure your presentation and to make it clear for the audience. There are 3 different stages to a presentation. First, introduction. Next, body. Finally, conclusion. Let's look at these in more detail. First, introduction. Common expressions are used to greet the audience, introduce yourself, mention topic and subtopics, and inform your audience when they can ask questions. Next, body. Common expressions are used to start, end, and transition from one subtopic to the other. Also, different common expressions are used to list and sequence information such as different aspects of a topic, different stages, or advantages and disadvantages. Finally, conclusion. Common expressions are used to restate the main points mentioned and give recommendation or opinion. So, you've now got a good understanding of the use of body language and common expressions, right? Okay, so let me move on to the third point, the use of visual aids. There are 2 advantages and 1 disadvantage. Let's start with the advantages. First, visual aids can make information more memorable for the presenter and for the audience. Visual aids can help them remember the relevant points of a presentation. Second, visual aids can show complex information in a simple way. This increases the audience's attention. On the other hand, there is 1 disadvantage. Many times, presenters feel visual aids are more important than their words, and they just read the text from the visual aid. As a result, the visual aid has a lot of information, and it is not attractive or memorable. So, you've now got a good understanding of the use of body language, common expressions, and visual aids, right? That's all I want to say about presentation.